Now, a lot of these, are just sitting at these random amounts. They'll sit there forever. They will never sell. Or if they do, they're lucky or somebody came to buy it. And that's good for that person. And you can try that. You can try to do something crazy like this. But in reality, there's nothing special about your card compared to everybody else's. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a listing and sell on NBA Top Shot. So if you've acquired a card, whether it's from the marketplace by buying one, or if you got a pack and you got a moment, then you can actually sell that moment. So what you can do is you can go to your profile by clicking this icon on the top right. It will have whatever icon you have hooked up to Dapper, which is a service that works with Top Shot. You're going to go to your moments, you're going to select a moment, and then you're going to try to sell it. So what you can do is you can place it for sale, and you can enter a price here in US dollars or whatever the currency is for you. Now, there is a 5% fee. That's how Top Shot gets paid, and they have other ways of getting paid too. But the way you know what to sell your moment for is going to be based on a couple things. A, is it a common card or a limited edition card? Is it legendary? What type of card is it? So mine's a common card, so it's just it's a dunk. It's got a pretty low serial number actually, but it really depends on what this is going for, and it also depends on the player. Like, do people actually want that one? So I'm gonna search up Kristaps Porzingis. This is mine. The lowest ask is $8, and if you want it to sell quick, you could sell it at $8, and there's nothing wrong with that. I paid for the pack for like $14, and I think I've already profited from selling a different card. And so you can sell it for $8. You can also take a look at the listings and look at the serial numbers and try to figure out where your serial number fits in the listings that are already out there. So what you can do is you can set the lowest ask ascending, and then you can see that $100,000 for the first listing, and mine is what, 8,157, which is on the lower side. And so if I scroll all the way down here to that one, almost there, so like in this range, this is going to be the price that I could sell it at. So probably between, $15 and $40 or $50. That would be a good price, and you can jump ahead of people. Now, a lot of these, are just sitting at these random amounts. They'll sit there forever. They will never sell. Or if they do, they're lucky or somebody came to buy it, and that's good for that person. And you can try that. You can try to do something crazy like this. But in reality, there's nothing special about your card compared to everybody else's. So what I would recommend is if you're looking for a quick buck off these cards, definitely go with the lowest ask or within a couple entries of the lowest ask. So if we sort this by the lowest ask, you'll see there's these really high serial numbers. So like $8, $9, a lot of those up to 10. I would sell this one under $20 or even under $15. I would start with $8, if you're really just trying to get a quick buck. And then if you want to, you can check the serial numbers and try to set it. But then all you do, let's say I wanted to sell this, and let's say I wanted to sell it for like $10. So I could put $10, I'll get paid $9.50 because they take 5% fee, and I place it for sale. You can place a moment every minute. Sometimes it's every hour. It depends on how many people are on the marketplace. Then you have to log into your Dapper account, which I have set up for Google. So I can log in, and if it works, it should allow me to place one. Okay, so I have to verify my identity. So you'll just put in some information. Sign in. Okay. And then you can confirm it. Now, this isn't a transaction. You're not buying this. It's a transaction in the sense that they're taking 5% and you're listing it, but you're not actually buying it. So what you can do is you can confirm it, and then it will be on the marketplace. I'm not going to do it right now because actually I want to keep my 3 moments. So when they have another drop that happens and I have my 3 moments available, I can go into those more exclusive drops, which the price will be higher, but you'll get more rare cards and there's less people that can join them. So that's another thing to keep in mind. If you only have 3 moments or a small amount of moments, I would recommend holding on to those so you can get into more drops that come up. So it's pretty easy. You just click on the moments, you try to sell it at a price, you look at the numbers, and you see where you can try to sell. I would try to sell higher and then decrease over time. And if you're getting impatient, like I know I am a lot, just sell it for the lowest ask, make some money back, and then see what, maybe you can buy a card from the marketplace with that money and then sell something for a greater profit. So that's how you sell an NBA Top Shot. And it's a really amazing opportunity right now. I highly recommend getting into it and trying to collect as many moments as you can and sell and be a part of this amazing experience with the NBA and Top Shot. If you like this video, hit the like button and smash subscribe. And also, if you're looking for a more reliable way to make money, let's say Top Shot goes down tomorrow, or you're not getting the cards you want, because it's all by chance, right? I mean, you really can't predict what spot in line you're going to get, and half the time you won't even get a pack. And who knows, maybe there'll be a lawsuit or something that comes out. So you never know with something so new like this, with NFTs and specifically these type of NFTs. So what if you could have a reliable source of income that can give you that freedom that you would always dream of, but you can't achieve without some money on the side, or a side income that would allow you to quit your job, allow you to spend more time with your family, your friends, your kids if you have kids, and just to live the best version of you, the best life that you possibly can. Well, you can do that, and there's a lot of ways to do it. You can get another job, like a second job, and replace the first job, or you can create a side business, and you can do something like affiliate marketing, where you build a list of people and you can send them emails and make money from that, or post videos and people will buy products that you recommend after you build trust. You can start an agency for a social platform, or helping somebody achieve a goal, whether it's with coaching or technology or something like that. You can have courses, you can create courses. So all these different things can help you to make reliable income on the internet. It's really amazing. And if you want to learn how my friend, I have a really close friend, his name's Jeff, he created a business that was able to make him tons and tons of money on the internet. So right now he's made over $50 million in sales over the last 10 years, and he's done it with affiliate marketing, digital consulting, and course creation, all the different models. Not at once, but he's done it in pieces. And now he's in the process of teaching how he's done that. And he's teaching it through his own courses. And if you want to learn how you can take some of those skills and replicate his success so you can create the life that you've always wanted, click the link in the description and grab the free book called The Millionaire Shortcut, which is the fastest way to become a millionaire. It's written by Jeff. It's an awesome book. It's helped me a lot. And you can also click in the comment below on that link. It will take you to the same spot. Sign up free for the book. It will teach you the basics on how to get started with some of these business models and how you can change your life. And I hope you look forward to the next part of your journey in life, whether it's starting a business or selling a Top Shot card. So I'll see you next time. Peace out. If you like this video, hit that like button so more people can see it. Jump on that subscribe button and slap that notification bell so you don't miss a single video from me on how to make more money online and live a happier life. There's a video right after this one, so stay tuned for that. Peace out for now.